We got another pet lovers box from Gigi. You ready? Let's open it. Ooh, hello fall. Good girl. Look, Gigi. Come.
Gigi?
Come.
And then we got more.
We got cookies. Wow. So this tells
it's a
you
new one.
this tells
It's a
you
new
what's
one.
here. And we got
Gigi, not-
pumpkin pie.
You want this?
Okay, let me see what it is. And we got
Pumpkin pie.
more pumpkin cookies. Oh, look at that! It's a slice of pie. You like it?
Gigi, want something to drink? Look at the drink.
Oh, and it's pumpkin spice latte.
Oh, let's smell this. Let's smell this.
Ooh, and
What about the tree?
a candle. Oh, nice. And we got another cookie. Oh, that's nice. Oh, yeah, she's loving it. What is
Out
that?
of this. And we got this. We got
Oh,
this.
let me see what that is. That looks like gravy.
And we got this.
It's
And then
busy butter. Oh, and a new scarf. Oh my gosh. That one's cute.
So we got.
You like it, Gigi?
And then we got.
And we got some coupons. All right. So this is the Walmart Pet Lovers box. Look at all these goodies.
Let's smell this.
You don't want to break the candle.
Can I smell it?
Yeah, but oh my God, this pumpkin pie cookie. Oh, it smells good. Yeah, look at that. Oh, we got goodies this time, huh, Gigi? You like it?
And this time
Yeah,
we
you
got.
like it? You like your box, Gigi? I think she likes it. I think she likes it. Get your pumpkin spice latte.